Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. So this is one of my favorite squares for this series. I love this. It's called the Petal Block pattern by Petal 71. So this is a Ravelry pattern. I'm going to go ahead and open it up in Ravelry and take a look. Petal Block pattern by Petal 71. So if you would like to work on a tongue twister, that would probably work for you. It looks like this pattern is available for New Zealand. $5 New Zealand, I guess is what NZ is. So I'm not sure. It looks like it comes out to about $3.27 American dollars. So this is so pretty. I just love it. I really do love this. I think it's so groovy. I really like it a lot. And it looks like it's just the pattern for the block. So you can go ahead and use the block in whatever way you want. Now in here it's just left as a circle. And then it turns, into the hexagon, and eventually you turn it into the square. It's always a little bit of a mystery how you turn that circle into the square, right? But it does work. Yeah, I really like this one a lot. I'm going to take a look and see if we can find out more about the actual pattern. If I can close this window. There we go. Okay, so it looks like it's just listed as for categories as an Afghan block. It was published in 2014. It says it's a cute, pretty flower block that can be finished as a circle, a hexagon, or a square, making it a versatile block for all sorts of projects from Afghans, bags, cushions, etc. It's also very neat on the back, which is great for Afghan blankets, so no need to line them to hide the backing. And you can see this in the last two photos. One is the front and one is the back. So that's these two here. This is the front and this is the back. So it is very tidy on the back. You don't need to hide that back. All right, so that is the Petal Block, and let me know what you think of this. Do you ever get any projects off of Ravelry, and if so, have you had luck with that? I like Ravelry. I can fall down the Ravelry rabbit hole just as easily as the Pinterest rabbit hole and YouTube rabbit hole and all of the other rabbit holes, right? Instagram and TikTok, all of them. So yeah, I'm a fan of Ravelry. All right, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it, and I hope to see you tomorrow for another fabulous flower square. Until then, have a great night. Bye-bye.